I've got ham, cheese and tomato. I didn't want pickle. Why are you looking at me like that?
Why did you not want that?
Because I didn't bloody want it.
Okay. Can I look at you now? Bag on. Get on. Oh, straps on. Can you hear gunshots? It's getting closer. Shit, this might be the last video.
So here we are, we're walking up towards this waterfall. The first one, we're just having a quick look at it. I think I'm going to go over the bridge first anyway, take pictures from the other side. It's quite a nice view. Just walk under this wee bit here. That's by that guy. Excuse me. Right, so for this shot here, set up, portrait shot, leading into the Hermitage Centre. I'm getting a wee bit of swirl here in this water here. So I went for that, a wee bit of focal point, as you can see. I'll take a couple of pictures and stack them. So we're looking at something like that. Just turned that camera in there, but anyway, try and get that shot. That was the first shot in the bag. So we're here, we're set up, and I'm going to try, and some of the images are a bit wintry, so I'll press record on the phone here. It should come up on the screen once I get it set up. Footy wee bit. Anyway. Right. So here we are. I've got it set up in camera. Show you here. There's landscape mode. I'm at f18, 2.5 of a second. I'm going to focus down here first. You can see the wee swirl in that pond there that I just pointed to. And what we're going to do is focus on this first rock here. Down in the slightly left hand side there, just right there. So I'll focus there and I'll take this first image. It's at f18 obviously. It's looking okay. So there's wee bits of swirl starting to appear in the water there. So I'll move up and I'll focus on the next bit of rock, which is about there, because I'm just going to stack all these. And the next bit, that's it, looking okay. So what we'll do is we'll go up and we'll focus up on the wee hut, hall of mirrors or whatever you want to call it. Same again, f18. 2.5 of a second. Still got the wee swirls in that pond there. So I think the water will be slightly blown out in the waterfall. So we need to check that. that's us, that's it. Looks okay at that. I took a few pictures, so I'll stack them for the focus points to meet up. And that should do us.
Back up this way. See where it takes us. To the wee hut. Another hut. All the mirrors. Big ball. Anyway, we'll go down the muck hole first. Look at that spot down there to get a shot. To the bridge, and the wee hut.
So for this shot, I'm at F18, there's a lot of people up there in that wee shed. So I'm going to focus up there first, F18, 1/60 a second. See how that turns out. You can see my movement a bit on top. Anyway, so that's that one shot. So now I'll move to the bridge, F18 again, just the same. 1/60 of a second again, landscape mode obviously. We'll see how that one turns out. It's okay. So we're going to move down again. This time we're going to move down towards the foreground. There's a wee rock in the middle of the waterfall there. I'll focus there. Same again, F18, 0.6 of a second. Focus again. There we go. Take the picture. That's dull, it's underexposed, and that's what I want because I want to try and save that water. And we'll see how that goes. So we'll move it to portrait mode now. We'll take a couple of portrait shots. Get it set up. Right, so I'll just move down slightly. That's a bit okay there, I think. We'll take this shot once I get it fastened up. Okay, just about there. I'm just focusing obviously up first, I think that'll be the first focus point. And we'll take the same image, 18, 0.6 a second for the water, so we can see the detail in the water as you can see. And then we'll move it along to the bridge. Same again. Take that picture. Still underexposed, but that's what we want. So now we're going to move it up 1/30 a second. 1.3. Bridge again. See how that turns out. It's not too bad. The water's blown out in that one, but that's okay because we've got another 2 exposures, so that's okay. I'll take that back down again to the foreground, just below my feet there. Take this shot. That's okay. So I'm going to blend them in, obviously. Photoshop. I'll take another shot here. 0.5 a second. That's a bit better for the water. So I think that's enough there. And we'll move on now. Made it up the top, but there's a nice wee bench with a nice wee view. There's more waterfalls there. I'll see if I can find one that I can photograph. People still hammer coins into the trees.
be all over the place. Strange. Maybe it brings them luck. Who knows? Well, I'm just going to set this wee shot up. There's two nice wee red trees there. 16 by 9. So I've zoomed in as far in as we can go. 40mm. 16 by 9, f11, 1/60 a second. Click and we'll see it. And we'll just move about a wee bit and we'll see what else we can get. Because there's a tree just right behind there and I was hiding it. Just to see what we can come up with. Nothing special, just something to fill the frame with. Same again. It's that's us. We'll just do another wee walk up to the corner and back home towards the barn, get something to eat. I'll stop recording. Right, for this shot I'm just going to set up a wee landscape shot, try and get the bridge in, keep the bridge in. So I'll record on the phone here and you can see what's happening. So I'm just going to focus on the bridge and I'm f14, 1/6 of a second. That's okay. I'm getting a wee bit of a swirl in the water here, so I'll try and slow the water down a wee bit more. So I'm going to focus on this wee rock here first, the one that's just sticking up there. Same shutter speed. Then I'll go down the shutter speeds. I'll go up the aperture, possibly 18, and I'll take it down to 1/4 of a second. I'll just focus on the water because it's swirling anyway. And we'll take that picture. Okay, I think I might need to adjust the polarizer slightly. That was okay. Take another shot at f18 up the bridge, just so I can get everything. 2-second timer. And that should do us for the day. I might take a portrait shot before I go. Why not? I'm thinking if I go over here slightly, get near the waterfall behind it. Let's try and get this to go in. Quite deep down there. Just don't want to play it. And that's it, we're there. I'll set up this wee shot. You can see it. I think I'm still sitting at 40 now, so I'll move it out. Yeah. About there, I think. Looks okay there. Turn the polarizer, don't forget to do that. Darkness down the water. Okay, first shot is on the bridge again, or f18, 1/4 of a second. Nice and smooth the water. And we've got a big bit of these rocks down here in the foreground. Just there, take the same shutter speed again, 1/4 of a second. Right, last shot, I'm going to speed it up a wee bit, slow it down, shutter speed. 1/8 of a second. Lights coming through there again. Okay. Might just take that up to 20th. Yeah. Click. Hopefully that works out. That's my last shot up here. I'm going to head back now. Think about where I'm going to go tomorrow. Maybe. Come with me and you'll see. As you can see, there's a shot there of the bridge. Water's nice and calm down here. So that's me, I'm done for the day here. I'm going to move back home. Think about where I'm going to go tomorrow or the next day.
I'm going back for my other cheese and tomato sandwich.
That's nice to know.